Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to cut this top layer. Now the top layer might be you, or the top layer might be your alter ego, but you're looking at the one that you were lining up, okay, not the one that's in the background. So we're going to use the Polygonal Lasso tool, and you're basically going to make a shape, and you're going to select either the left side of the face or the right side of the face. I'm going to go around the left side just because it's smaller. So I went pretty good inside that blotter, and I'm just going to go down the middle. Now if you decide you want to go like sideways or you want a more straight line, you can certainly make those modifications as you get there. So you get close and you can double click. Oops. And there you go. Now if you mess up, you hit the escape button, you can try it again. You can try this several times. You know, they could be zigzags. You can also, if you wanted to, you can use the regular lasso tool to make a more of a softer line. You could do something like that. But most kids, I just find that the Polygonal Lasso tool is a little easier to handle. Kids kind of like it a little bit better. Do almost like a lightning bolt kind of thing. Okay, now we get to the end, double click. It's at this point now, what this is going to do, you're going to right click inside the space you selected, and you're going to go to layer via cut. What this is going to do is it's going to cut that layer into two pieces. The piece that you selected and the rest of it. Okay, so layer 1 is now the piece that you cut or selected, and this part of it is the rest of the photo. It's at this point you can double check to make sure that this looks good, everything's lined up, which it does. And then it's a matter of, you can change the visibility of both of those pieces to figure out which one you want. The one you make invisible, like I'm going to go with this one where it's going to be Michael Jordan on the right here. I like all his rings. So I made it invisible. This is the one I'm going to drag into the trash. So now I'm left again with only 2 layers. I have half of my face, and then I have the whole Michael Jordan face, but half is covered by my half. It's now, if you wanted to crop it, if you haven't already done so, you should use the crop tool, 8x10, resolution 300, right down here. And you're going to drag a window representing that size. So you may notice it gets really close to the face, which is what you want. You don't want a lot of background. And you say OK. Okay. The next video is just going to show you how you can do some modifications on your face to make it kind of match. Right now the left side of the face is, the lighting isn't optimal, not like this side, so I'm going to show you how you can kind of brighten it up and stuff.